My name is Jenny Black. I'm a teacher and I'm from a small town called Bhruidhinn. So I teach in Gaelic all the time, every day, and I go to a Gaelic choir called the Gigis, and I'm part of the Bòrd of An Lòchran, which is like a Gaelic community hub. So you can speak to your friends in Gaelic. It's a special wee language, you know, that we want to promote, and it's a lovely community. I love speaking to my friends in Gaelic, especially in like the staff room or after school, and nobody else knows what we're talking about. So it's a really, really lovely language, and yeah, definitely love it. So the best opportunity I've had because of Gaelic is from being a teacher, and from basically the start, seeing how I had no words of Gaelic. I didn't know what Gaelic really was, and now I'm speaking Gaelic all day, every day, and teaching and inspiring, hopefully, pupils to speak Gaelic and be part of this community. A fun fact about me is that I love coffee, almost obsessed with coffee, and so a couple of years ago I went to Costa Rica to a coffee farm and had to teach myself a bit of Spanish to get by. Gaelic's definitely better and easier, and yeah, that was great fun, definitely. So my favourite word in Gaelic is plúbidich, which is splashing, and I just love the sound of it. It just sounds really it's just really nice to say, just plúbidich. Gaelic, Chànan, Chothrom, your language, your opportunity.